All right, this is Shibuya Friday night in Center, guys. Let's go for another virtual tour and head towards Shibuya Crossing. It's busy, guys. All right, let's go. So there's a lot of people running out and about doing their thing, figuring out where to go on this Friday night here in Shibuya. So I was filming a lot earlier, like I was saying, having tons of vlogs, eating up all the batteries and the memory. And it's crazy because also, like, you know, I haven't been here in a while. This is a proper trip here that I've never been. So I used to start off vlogging in Japan, like travel vlogging. It was in 2010. And only now I'm actually doing my first live stream. Not really first live stream, but a solid live stream here in Shibuya. Enough of my face, let's go check it out. It's getting busy, so much stuff to see and show you. If you're just joining me, thank you again for checking us out and watching. Please do me a favor, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you're new. Comment down below what you think or what you want to see. I'm here, so you might as well make the most of it. Let me know. And yeah, we'll check out what your recommendations, where I should go, what to do here. Checking out all the other homies that are out here. Wow, it's crazy over there. There it is, look at that, busy. What's up, Steezy the Goat? He's back. Jumping in the comments, Guam is in the house. Yes, I'm pretty sure there's other people here. Shibuya Angel Heart Center guy. Very alive. Alive and crazy. As you can see, it's kind of dead here, but I promise you, if you could see all the way over there, there is tons of people. I'm not sure if the connection is good, so if it gets choppy, if it gets laggy, and it just pauses or just disconnects, my apologies. This is the second one of the day. They have some vending machines here. I know people do like that. What you should know about vending machines here is anything that's like this is sold out. And the blue light means it's cold, and if it's red, it means it's warm. Even this, I mean, they're all different. Some of them are very interesting, and you know, they have all types of stuff. Also, it's the 50th year of Hello Kitty. There's a cool exhibition over at 109, which is on my right, Ichimaku. And there is all the people that I was talking about. Magnet over there. There's a cool sky view of, a bird's eye view of Shibuya Crossing. And right above me, or right in front of me, is the Shibuya Scramble Square. Right near it is Hikari, Shibuya's Hikari. And right behind there, I think that's the new one, is Shibuya Stream. I'm not sure if it's that one over there. But this is the famous Shibuya Crossing. Right behind me, we just did a stream kind of walk, fast kind of walk through Center Guy. I might go back there and stream again. I'm also filming all these other videos, so we're just trying this live stream out and see if the pocket Wi-Fi works. This is Shibuya Crossing. Check it out, guys. Okay, I'll stand here for the first one. So you'll see there is like nobody there, just like all these crazy cars. And you're gonna see all these ants just go crazy. One thing I love. Are you ready? Let's go. That's a cool stroller. Wild. And just like that, it already ended. I don't know if you guys counted how many people walked by, but I'm pretty sure that's about 1,000 people or more that just walked the street in under 3 minutes. See how wild that is? We're gonna go do the next one, and all these people are doing whatever they're doing. There's a Yamanote line passing right above me over there, or right over across me over there. That's the Hachiko Square area. There's Hachiko just over there. Let me try to zoom in. Hachiko, the faithful dog, right over there. yeah. What's up, Alan? We're in Shibuya Center Guy here in Shibuya, Tokyo. Our center guy right there. I'm about to cross the Shibuya crossing. And all these people are here waiting to cross again. We're gonna go ahead and see what is there to do across. Oh, Yamanote Line just passed by. There is so much to do. I've been filming so crazy all these random vlogs. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be edited right. It's just gonna be raw as always. And yeah, there's also a cool viewpoint over there to watch the Shibuya crossing. Right there, this bridge. There's also this famous mural, Japanese mural over there depicting when, like, I guess like the atomic bomb, something. It's kind of crazy, but it's a crazy mural that has been painted before that even happened. We'll check out that spot for some views. Right now, we're gonna do the crossing. This guy's the first guy to jump it. Let's go. I'm not sure if the stream is good, but tons of people are crossing right as I am crossing too. Hello, hello. Everyone has their phone up in the air as well, trying to get this cool. It's a weird scene of people just crossing. Just a sea of people looking like ants crossing every 3 minutes. Right over there. I love the street art. Charlie Murphy was here. They actually changed this pole. It used to be different. But as you can see, that was one way of crossing Shibuya. There's the famous Starbucks, Tatsuya. There used to be a whole big sign that said Tatsuya there, which is now small over there. They just renovated this. This TV right here, and there's also the smaller TV right over there. It's very cool because I was on that TV many years ago skating and in a music video for a famous Japanese artist. If you know them, they're called Ketsumeshi. I was in the music video, very interesting. And they did play it on those screens. Very small, random fact, but I'm very proud of that, you know. I was on this billboard, even that one, when they had the commercial for Ketsumeshi. Enough of me. I'm just happy to share that with you guys. I don't really share that as much, but we're gonna go across this way and show you more. Oh wait, maybe I might check out the Hachiko, like I said, but I just want to film people. Like, wow, that's not even a motorcycle, that's a bike. If you're just jumping in, say hello in the comments. Like if you didn't like it, and subscribe and comment down below what you think or where you think I should go check out in Shibuya. I'm gonna go live stream for a bit, but then I'm gonna go back into filming these vlogs for you guys. Now here it is. Let's go, let's go. So we're going crazy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and show you more of Shibuya. Go on this virtual tour, walk and talk, as I always do. Let's go check it out. This is Hachiko. Also, what's funny is this statues here. Look at them. Look at these cool statues. Sometimes people dress them up and they're like naked babies. It's wild, huh? But I don't know, I forgot the meaning of it. It's a kind of gritty cesspool of stuff. But this is like supposed to be a Zen garden. If you could see it here in Shibuya. But we'll go ahead and look at Hachiko, the famous dog statue. A lot has changed here. This is the tourist information souvenir store called Shibu Hachibox. Shibu Hachibox. This used to be a green train if you've ever been to Japan, but they removed it and now it's like a tourist store. And right over here, we have the famous Hachiko. This is the faithful dog who waited for Mr. Ueno the professor, or I think he was a doctor or scientist, for how many years, I believe, until he passed. But it just shows the faithfulness, the love of an animal waiting for its owner that never came. Hachiko statue. Don't worry about it because they actually made a new statue where he actually meets up with Mr. Ueno. I forgot where it's at, but I think it's somewhere in one of these universities. This is Hachiko. I remember standing on this Zen garden, going crazy on a Halloween one time, like right over here. Super cold, freezing my... Oh, there's what's that called? The Mario Kart. They're not supposed to be called Mario Karts, and they're not supposed to wear like Nintendo stuff because they're getting sued. But they're doing that. I can't do that because you need an international driving license if you're going to do the Mario Kart. And this is Hachiko, guys. They're doing some renovations to the station over there, if you can see it. A lot has changed. And we're gonna go ahead and head back to the crossing. I might end the stream here. I'm gonna end this stream and then we'll get back into another stream. Maybe the last one for the day or for the night. I'm not sure. Might go somewhere else and stream. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Share this video, like it, whatever. Do your thing. Have a nice Friday. I'll be streaming in a bit. Give me a bit. I'm just checking the connections and all that stuff. Thanks. I'm out. Bye.